Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm sharing a quick Walmart haul with you guys. And yeah, there's not too many things, so I wanted to share and show you guys my cute finds. And of course, just my finds. I like to share and I want to show you guys what I picked up. And if you guys want to pick up any of these things that I find, you guys can go now because I literally just bought this not so long ago. You guys know I love this cardstock paper. I always pick up a pack, and they lowered the price. They was $5.97, you guys, and it was $4.88, which is a steal because this paper is amazing, good quality. I love how it prints, and it's super bright. So I picked up a pack of that, and then I found these, you guys. These are the reclosable bags by Craft Designer, it's Doris Craft Designer reclosable bags. That is a mouthful. But they have the little closure right here, but you can always cover that with a nice bag topper. And I thought this would be perfect for the bag toppers that I made using the doilies. And you get 100 pieces for $2, which I think is a great deal. Especially when you're putting like ephemera pieces or stickers or anything, these are great for that. So I picked that up. And then you guys, I found these funky socks, which I am obsessed with. I picked up 4 for myself and I picked up 4 for my wife, and I think I'm gonna share them in Happy Mail, or I might keep them for myself. I haven't quite decided yet, but because I like to sometimes be around the house with socks and they're so fun. But once I decide, we'll see. But I found these super cute taco ones, and they're like neon orange, so bright. So we got the taco ones. We got these neon yellow ones with donuts. So cute. And you guys, look at the flamingo ones. How cute are these? I love socks. And they're super long, especially the long ones. I don't really like the ankle socks, but socks like that, especially during Christmas time, I love socks. Because I just like being with them in the house. And these are what they look like. And then the last pair is these little green ones, like mint green, like a teal green, and they have sushi rolls on them. How fun are these? My wife collects socks. She loves socks. She's got a ton. So definitely had to surprise her with her own 4 pair. But then I went back and saw these again, and then I was like, let me get some for myself. I can include them either in Happy Meal or for myself. Another thing I found in Walmart was these cute little bags, which are perfect to add in Happy Mail, especially that I'm gonna be doing unicorn mail. So you get 2 bags for, I think it was $5. $4.97. Yep, $4.97, which is a great deal. How cute is this bag? And it has this cute little wristlet here. So I picked that up. And then I picked up some boring stuff. I picked up some Command little poster strips, because I have clips and they had broken off, so I needed the little backings. So I picked up a pack of that. Picked up another pack of bobbins with rings. I use these for washi samples, and these are only like $1.47. So every time I see a pack, I pick them up, because weirdly they never have them. I don't know why, but whenever I see them, I definitely pick them up because I like to send washi samples with those. And then you guys, I didn't even know that Walmart sold washi, and I found these for $1.88. And I don't know if you can see, but it's like unicorn washi. This one has the unicorn and the little diamond, a rainbow. This one says make a wish, and then this one says a unicorn made me do it. And I thought this was fun to also add in my unicorn mail. You guys, I have so much stuff for that swap that I plan on doing that I'm so excited for it. I picked up some seam binding in pink, because I saw a video that Tony did, Craft Purge, doing a embellishment book with seam binding, and I thought it was such a great idea. So I picked up this one. Don't know if it's the right one. Hopefully it is. So I picked up one of these. And then I got an eyelash curler, but this is not from Walmart. This is actually from a local store by my house. Isn't this cute? You guys, they make everything now in mint, green, and peach, and I love it. It's like, I don't even know what to pick. It makes me want to buy both. Does that happen to you guys? You see the mint and the peach, and you just want both. So I got that. And then I also picked up this Aura LED strip for TVs, up to 65-inch. You guys, this is so cute. And I have it like that on my computer screen. And it comes with this little remote control. My wife likes all these little gadgets and stuff like that. And she had purchased this weeks ago. She loves all these kind of things. Any little gadgety thingy, she's 100% for it. And I didn't pick it up because I'm like, nah, that's not going to be my thing. But when I saw it on her computer screen and on her desk, I was like, oh my God. I literally regretted it instantly that I didn't pick one up for myself. So when I saw it again, I was like, you're coming home. And these are only $5. But they look so cool on your computer screen. Maybe one day I'll show it on Snap so you guys can see how it looks. But it just wraps around your computer screen like that. And it does all these colors on the remote control you can get. And then you can get all different type of effects like flashing, the strobe, the fading, smooth, or just like a plain color. So fun. And like for $5, why not, right? I might buy another one and gift it in one of my Happy Meals or like a giveaway or something. That'll be fun. So I got that. And then the last thing I picked up, which I purposely picked up for my kitchen because a lot of my appliances and stuff like that in my kitchen are, my pots and stuff like that are mint green, not like the teal green. So when I saw these bowls, I was like, oh my God, that's gonna go perfect with my kitchen. And I ended up picking up a spatula also. And I saw these bowls and I wanted them for my kitchen, but then I decided that I want them in my craft room. You guys, how beautiful are these bowls? It's like a big measuring cup, and I thought that I can put like either my my trim in here, and then you get 3 different sizes. So there's this one, and they just go perfect with my room. So I decided to keep them. I'll just get another set for my kitchen because I want these in my craft room. This is a bigger size. Well, not more, a bigger size. And then you get that one that looks like a big measuring cup. And I thought it would look so fun, like with all my little trim inside. And then you could just have the little handle. And this whole set was like $15, I think. I could be wrong, but I think it was $15. But isn't it cute, you guys? I love it so much, and I'm so excited to fill it up with all my goodies. But that's my Walmart haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.